Good evening, Dr. Gupta.
Good evening.
So we meet once again. You have been having a very hectic schedule during this corona crisis lockdown. Firstly, from all our DXN fraternity, we would like to salute the relentless and selfless service that all the doctors and healthcare workers have been giving during this global crisis, putting your own health at risk. So, with regard to this crisis, what would you like to advise to all the viewers and patients in general?
Well, COVID-19 infection is a very fast spreading infection, as you know. And it has been seen that people who are having less symptoms or no symptoms at all, they are the fast spreader. So we have to resort to the guidelines what have been laid down by the experts, like hand washing, not touching the face, and socially distancing ourselves. Nowadays there is a lot of talk going around about immunity. So we have to take some immunity boosters as well during this period. Okay.
Okay, now coming to your own health, you have been consuming DXN products for 4.5 months now. We learned that very recently you have experienced some positive results and you would like to share that with us.
Oh yes, I have been taking these supplements for the last 4.5 months and I have seen lots of good results. I had high blood pressure and I had got high cholesterol and high uric acid levels. So after consumption of these supplements, my uric acid level has gone down to 6. It was earlier it was 7.3, and whereas the cholesterol level, the LDL cholesterol, that is called bad cholesterol, it has come down to 110. Previously it was 155. So amazingly all the levels have gone down. And now I feel very energetic at this age. Previously I used to have lots of aches and pains all over my body. Now totally vanished. Also, of late I am seeing that there is some loss of weight. My fat is probably breaking down, it's going away.
Okay, so were you taking any pharmaceutical drugs and did you discontinue that?
Yes, I used to take some pharmaceutical drugs, antihypertensives, and some anti-uric acid medicines, but I have forgone taking them. And I am taking now 6 tablets of spirulina and 3 each of RG-GL of DXN regularly. Of course, of late I have increased the dose for this COVID-19 infection.
Okay, fine. So, what would you tell our viewers and consumers in general who look for quick fixes and expectation largely fostered by the pharmaceutical drug industry, which may provide some symptomatic relief but need not be root cause solutions? To such patients, to such consumers in general, what would your suggestions be? What would your advice be?
You see, there is no denying the fact that this allopathy treatment is for emergency purpose. So it mainly is required for heart attacks, road accidents, or any abdominal or respiratory emergencies which usually land up in hospital. Because that is life-saving. We are concerned here about preventive aspect of medicine and with chronic degenerative disorders. So in those cases, like hypertension, diabetes, arthritis, etc., these are chronic degenerative disorders. And allopathy cannot assure you of total cure of all these medicines. And the medicines which they prescribe usually have side effects. So you have to take some superfoods to increase your immunity, and I would recommend to take DXN, RGGL and spirulina to have immunity boosting in your system, and I assure you of good health later on. But you can always, you don't expect to have overnight solution to your well-being. Okay, you have to take those immunity boosters for a certain period of time before you really appreciate the beneficial effect of those superfoods.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Gupta, for your knowledge and suggestions as well as sharing your experience. And we look forward to continuing this association. And until next time, warm regards.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.